Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pragya. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you never miss an update from my channel. Today we are going to learn how to solve a problem of not getting the verification email from Wattpad. So now let's get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment in this video. If any problem, let me know in the comment box below. You can also follow me on all of my social media. The links are down below in the description box. You can also suggest me a topic for my next tutorial video in the comment box below or also in all of my social media platforms. Bye bye, see you in my next tutorial video.